Hi, this is Miss Mizraco on this 8th grade science information for October 12th and 13th. Remember, this is a short week. We only have school 2 days. Our new unit, chemistry. So we've gotten a new digital notebook. Kind of flip through these first couple of pages that you should hopefully be familiar with. On Thursday, October 8th, students had a whole bunch of pages to look through, kind of recognizing that substances are composed of one or more elements and that the periodic table organizes those elements. When we go over this in class, we'll watch a brain pop on the periodic table. Please pause this video at this time if you need to get some of these answers that you maybe missed or were incorrect. Again, lots of information. I think a lot of this is a review from last year on the periodic table. Again, looking at all the information that's in each of the cells or parts of the periodic table. Periods. What are the differences between periods and groups? And the information contained. What the different numbers mean. And then Friday was purposely light. You were supposed to watch a video. A great song. You maybe listened to it last year as well, the Element Song by Tom Lehrer, and then just pick your favorite element. You didn't have to post these. I will look at them when you turn in your digital notebook at the end of this unit. On Monday, October 12th, students will be using breakout rooms to describe matter in a variety of ways. Again, states of matter, what's an element? We'll go and answer these questions in breakout rooms. Looking at solids, liquids, and gases, very important to know the particle arrangement. Tightly packed, fixed shape and volume, not tightly packed, not rigid, no fixed shape, but that does have a fixed volume. And then a gas isn't rigid and doesn't have either a fixed shape or volume. An element is the simplest form that can't be broken down by ordinary chemical or physical means. An atom is its simplest form, and examples can be anything off the periodic table: copper, iron, gold, silver, nitrogen, carbon. A compound is made of atoms from different elements. Its simplest form is a molecule, and it's formed two ways: by covalent bonds, which are the sharing of electrons, or ionic bonds, which involves the transfer or donation of electrons. Mixtures are substances that are held together by physical forces, not chemical. As we see here in the picture, distilled water is not a mixture. When it's distilled water, all of the molecules are water molecules. Tap water is a mixture. When we drink water out of the tap, we have water, chlorine, iron, different substances in there. We can further classify mixtures into two types: heterogeneous, which means different. You can see the different parts, and homogeneous means the same, and you can't see the different parts. An example of a heterogeneous mixture might be a salad: lettuce, tomato, cucumbers, croutons, cheese, all things that you can see the different parts of. A homogeneous mixture might be something like hot chocolate. The 8 physical properties of matter are ones that you can observe without changing the substance. They are listed on the screen for you. Please copy them down in your digital notebook. Chemical properties of matter are ones that you see when new substances are formed: toxicity, oxidation states, heat of combustion, chemical stability, flammability, the coordination number, reactivity, chemical bonds, and formation. Enthalpy of formation. And then the last part should be a little bit of a review. How do we measure matter? Things that we've measured virtually so far are mass using a triple beam balance or scale. Weight, we didn't do yet, but you could use a scale or a spring scale. We calculated the volume different ways of a regular shape, length times width times height. And a regular shape would be water displacement. And then, of course, calculating density is the mass divided by volume. Monday's homework is assignment 6. On Tuesday, you'll do some more pages, the next 10 pages of your digital notebook, looking at metals and nonmetals. Again, reading, I like that they kind of call out the vocabulary words. You should know metals and malleable. Reading, answering those questions on the Post-its. Here's some comprehension questions. Then nonmetals. Metalloids, a little chart to organize your thinking. So make sure your work is done from today. Do assignment 6, complete Tuesday's digital notebook, and have a fantastic fall break.